All right, good morning. Welcome back. This is Life with Camo. We're out here on Pickwick. The plan today is we're going to try and get on some largemouth early on some ledges. Then we're going to chase some smallmouth up towards the dam, and then hopefully end the day chasing some stripers. We'll see how it goes. That's our plan, but we'll see what God's plan is for us today. We just pulled up to the first spot we're going to check out and scan. It's pretty much just a big ledge going from about 7 all the way down to 30 foot. We're just going to give it a look with the side scan and the down scan, cheat a little bit, see if we can't find some fish and make a few casts, and then if we can get one to bite, great. If not, we'll go somewhere else. We're all set up at our first spot. We're just fishing this ledge. Wanted to fish a little closer to the opening of this big creek up here, but it was pretty stacked up with boats, so we're over here throwing these 1-ounce jigs, just hopping them along the bottom. Got a few different things we're going to throw today, but this is just what we went to right off the bat. Nothing so far, but we ain't even got in but a few casts yet. So we'll see what the rest of the day holds. All right, we just pulled up to our second spot, kind of by this creek mouth, fishing another ledge, fishing a Tokyo rig on the bottom with a 6-inch worm. Didn't really mark much here, but still just wanted to give it some casts just because I like the way it looks. Probably not the right move, but was eager to cast. All right, it's Sunday. We're back out here on Pickwick. We're up in the creek right now. We were gonna go see if the stripers were up in here yet, but I don't think they are, and we can't even get back to where we wanted to go because the water's so low, and I just got the boat back out of the shop. Don't want to put it back in the shop trying to do something stupid. So just a change of plans. We're just gonna go see if we can't go do something else, and we'll see what happens. go. Get in the boat. Perfect hook. That's it. Little baby largemouth. I don't care. It's fish. Hey, good call.
Good job.
Honestly, it could be. I don't know what it is. We have a boat and we have fishing rods. It doesn't mean we are exactly professional fishers. I thought it was a shark. And I thought we were about to go YouTube famous and netted a giant shark. That was my plan. Flathead.
Kept the bait.
I like the color he's got to him.
Yeah, it's pretty cool looking.